Hey guys, I want to make a quick video today to show you how to rotate a floor plan without actually rotating the model. So first off, how we're going to do this, we're going to be utilizing scope boxes. So first thing you want to do is go to the View tab, and we're going to draw a scope box. Then we're going to name our scope box just so I can have an idea of which way or however many degrees I'm rotating the scope box. So I'm going to say scope box 90 degrees. And then we're going to rotate it. So select your scope box, hit rotate. At 90 degrees, then we need to readjust our scope box so it includes the whole floor plan. So I want to make another scope box. This one I don't want to rotate 90 degrees. I just want to rotate this one 45 degrees so I can show you guys multiple rotations of the floor plan. So we're going to draw another scope box. I want to call this scope box 45 degrees. And same thing, we're just going to rotate the scope box 45 degrees. Adjust it to include the whole floor plan. And now we're going to go on to level 1 and I'll show you how to apply these scope boxes. So in this floor plan, if you go into your properties palette, and then a little bit towards the bottom, you'll see this line for scope box. So now all I want to do is I'll use this drop down. We select whichever way we want to rotate this plan. So first we'll start 90. You guys will see the plan will actively rotate to 90 degrees. And now we'll select 45. And you'll see the plan will rotate 45. Now this view is only rotated in this view. It's not, the model itself is still in the same orientation it was when you drew it. But we come back to the scope box view that we started. You can see that the model is still in this original location. So one of the tips I use, I normally tell people to label their scope boxes just so you don't forget or know which scope box is not rotated, because it's kind of hard to tell. They don't have any parameters to tell you it's rotated 45 degrees or anything. One way to find out if a scope box is rotated is that it has a rotation symbol. By default, this is always in the upper right hand corner. So you see if we draw a new scope box, that rotation symbol is in the upper right hand corner. So this scope box is just oriented to the way that you drew the model. So most of the time that's how you can tell a scope box is rotated, just by where that rotation symbol is. So hopefully this helps with rotating a floor plan if needed in any of your projects. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Bye.